of honorable judges and noted academicians guiding as members of its advisory board. Mr. Justice Anil Kumar of Delhi High Court and Professor R.C. Sopti, Vice Chancellor, Punjab University, were the guests of honor on this occasion amongst various other prominent people. In his inaugural address, Chief Justice Mr. Vijayendra Jain quoted from Alvin Toffler's famous book, Future Shocks, about human endeavors of developing colonies in space, perhaps to run away from the ill effects of technology and economic development on Earth. Mr. Jain asserted the need for humanity to evolve a new thought process to survive.
Environment being one of the primary mandate that APJA has laid out for itself, the first program, therefore, focused on this issue. The city, which has the largest per capita population of vehicles, adds almost 200 new vehicles every day. That endangers its environment besides increasing the risk of accidents. And there could not have been a better way to generate awareness than by judges themselves taking to roads. The judges of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, along with senior leading lawyers, to paddle through the city, leaving behind their chauffeur-driven cars. One could spot Mr. Justice K.S. Grewal, Justice Suryakant, Justice S.S. Rao, Justice Rajesh Bindal, along with nearly 100 lawyers, gladly enjoying the cool breeze of Janmarg as they cycled from Open Hand Monument to the cricket stadium. The members of another NGO, USATA, distributed literature amongst the residents to convey the message of protecting our environment. Many enthusiastic school children also joined the rally on their skates. Continuing with the efforts to keep our Mother Earth nourished and environmentally safe, the members of APJA moved out of the comforts of their air-conditioned rooms into the sweltering heat of village Khudda Ali Sher. Former Mayor of Chandigarh, Mrs. Anu Chatrat, Sarpanch of the village, Justice Suryakant, Justice Mahesh Grover and Justice Rajesh Bindal, along with lawyers of the High Court and the residents of the village, planted sapling in the village to provide a cool, greener look to the village and encouraged the residents to continue their green drive. Later, they had an interactive session with the villagers over a cup of tea.
On 22nd